everybody, welcome to Avanico Technologies. This is me Nacho. So this is going to be the last video in our playlist. Till yesterday we were seeing about the banking module. In today's video we're going to see about the production process. So basically what is the role of bill of materials in the production process, how to create the production order, how to convert the status from plan to released, how to issue for production and get finally after the production is over, how to take the finished goods away from receipt from production. Let's get into the video. I have taken OEC Computers Test Database. So we're going to see the production module now. So the first things in the production module is the bill of materials, which is present under main menu, production and production module. So the bill of material is like a master data which is having. So the bill of materials, this is the screen of the bill of material. So here you can give the header line. Here you can give the product which we are currently going to manufacture. And in the line items, you can give the items that are required to manufacture this product. So I'm taking, for example, let us consider the previously created bill of material. So here you can see that in order to manufacture tablet PC 64 GB white for one quantity, you need all these. Let us take this bill of material for example. In order to manufacture this PC 8-core DDR32 GB 2 TB HDD, we need all these items. So some are in the issue method, some are given backflush, some are given manual. So backflush means these items are not required in the issue for production. It can be directly issued, whereas manual means they have to be manually issued. So this represents the header quantity and these represent the child quantity. So this will act as a master data for the production order. So next comes the production order. So it is present under main menu, production and production order. So in the production order, you can see, you can copy that same item and then we can do the production. So I'm selecting the same item. You can see when I selected the item, by default, the plant quantity has become 1. So based on this plant quantity, if I change it, then all the plant quantity in the line items also gets changed. So currently you can see the status as plant. So now what we can do is we can add the production order. So now the production order is added. The second step is changing the production order status from planned to released. Only after this option will be able to do the issue components and report completion, which means issuing the materials for raw material, issuing the raw materials for the production and then taking the items out after production. So I'm changing the status from planned to released and then I'm updating the production order. So this is the second step in the production order. The third step is issue components. So you can take the production order which is in the release status. You can right click and then give issue components. So when you give issue components, based on the manual options, all these items will get popped up here. You can check the journal entry preview if required. So these are the items that are going to get out of the inventory, which means raw materials will get credited and work in progress account will be debited. So now I can add the issue components. When you check the summary, you can see that the issue components, the total value of issue components is 1,97,000 and we are yet to take the receipt. So now the variance occurs before taking the receipt. Now you can, after the production got completed, we can take the 10 quantity out and then we can do the receipt. Not only that, we can also issue multiple times and receipt multiple times for the same production order. So I'm giving report completion. So by default, that parent item with quantity 10 will appear here. If the production is completed, I can check the journal entry preview. You can see that work in progress gets credited. Instead of inventory account, the raw material account is being mapped. So the raw material account got debited. So now we can add the production order. Now we can add the receipt from production. So once the receipt from production is done, the production order gets completed. So when you check it, you can check the same in the summary tab. So you can see that The item actual component cost is 5 lakh 1. The actual additional cost is 8,000. So the total product cost is 5 lakh 9, 5 lakhs 9,640. So this is the production order has been completed. You can see that both the planned quantity and completed quantity has both become equal, which means we have taken all the items after production. Now we can close the production order by changing the status from release to close, and then we can update the document. With this stage, the production order gets completed. Thank you.